Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students! Hello, students. This is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Takul Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. I would like to tell you something about Kabaddi in this video.
Index. The things that we will discuss about Kabaddi are: first, history; second, first Arjun Award in 1972; third, Lifetime Achievement Award in 2005; fourth, the list of award winners in Kabaddi; fifth, the first World Cup Kabaddi match, men's and women's; sixth, types of Kabaddi; seventh, types of ground; eighth, age and weight criteria; ninth, constitution of the zones; 10. Referee signals and penalty card. History. Let's first know about history of Kabaddi. Kabaddi also finds a place in Hindu mythology. The great Indian epic Mahabharata also has a place for the game. The game is known by different names in different regions such as Chedugud in Andhra Pradesh, Sadugud in Tamil Nadu, Jai Bhavani in Maharashtra, Hadudu in Bangladesh, Bhatwik in Maldives. Kabaddi evolved as national game of Bangladesh and state game of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Maharashtra and Bihar. In the modern times, Kabaddi was given the national status of the game in India in 1918. The first known framework of the rules of Kabaddi as an indigenous sport of India was prepared in Maharashtra in the year 1921 for Kabaddi competition on the pattern of Sanjeevani and Gemini as a combined form. Thereafter, a committee was constituted in the year 1923 which amended the rules framed in 1921. The amended rules were applied during the All India Kabaddi tournament organized in 1923. Many forms have originated in many states of India, but the modernized version of games was founded in Maharashtra. Kabaddi received international exports during the 1936 Berlin Olympics, demonstrated by Hanuman Vayam Prasarak Mandal, Amravati, Maharashtra. The game was introduced in the Indian Olympic Games at Kolkata in 1938. The All India Kabaddi Federation was formed in the year 1952 after the formation of the game Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India. First senior national championship started from the year 1952. Nationals were held in Madras, while the women's national were held in Kolkata in 1955. Kabaddi was introduced and popularized in Japan in 1979. The Asian Amateur Kabaddi Federation sent Roop Sundar Ram of India to tour Japan for 2 months to introduce the game. The game was included for the first time in the Asian Games in Beijing in 1990. India, China, Japan, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Bangladesh took part. India won the gold medal and has won gold at the following three Asian Games in Hiroshima in 1994, Bangkok in 1998, and Busan in 2002. India won the gold medal in the 2006 Asian Games at Doha, created history in India sports by winning 5 consecutive gold medals in the Asian Games so far. The history say all about the Kabaddi, but the Kabaddi has gained more popularity in the today's generation with the introduction of Kabaddi Cup and Pro Kabaddi League. It will be gain more popularity when it will be introduced as regular sport in Olympic. Hope for the good. In India, first Arjuna Award in Kabaddi. First person to get Arjuna Award was Sadanand Sette in year 1972. You can see him getting awarded from our Honorable President V.V. Giri. Lifetime Achievement Award. Salvi received the Shiv Chhatrapati Rajya Krida Jeevan Gaurav Puraskar awarded by the government of Maharashtra to sportsperson from Maharashtra for lifetime contribution to sports in 2005. He is popularly referred to as Bua Salvi and honorarily as Kabaddi Maharshi or the Grand Old Man of Kabaddi. He died on 15 February 2007 at the age of 75 in Mumbai. The 27th Federation Cup Kabaddi tournament held May 2007 in Mumbai and organized by Maharashtra State Kabaddi Association was dedicated to Salvi. His birthday, 15 July, is observed as Kabaddi Din in Maharashtra. The venue of the 57th Maharashtra State Kabaddi Championship was named after him as late Shankarrao Salvi Krida Nagari. Awarded Kabaddi players. Indian government has encouraged this game by giving highest sports award. You all can have a look on different sports person who were awarded in Kabaddi. Students, you can see the list of awardee. First, Padma Shri Award winners, Dronacharya Award winners, Dhyanchand Awards winners, Arjuna Awardee. In the last slide, you saw that Padma Shri Awardee, Dronacharya Awardee, Dhyanchand Awardee. Now you can see the list of Arjuna Awardee from 1972 to 2018. First World Cup Kabaddi match, men's and women's. Kabaddi game got international recognition year 2004. First World Cup of Kabaddi men's. First World Cup of Kabaddi was organized in 2004 at Mumbai, India. India won the first World Cup by beating Iran in the finals. First World Cup of Kabaddi Women's. India has won the first Women's Kabaddi World Cup Championship beating Iran 25-19 in the thrilling game played in Patna in the state of Bihar. Age and weight criteria. Age and weight criteria is important in Kabaddi game. If player age and weight is not as per set criteria, the player is not qualified for game. As you can see in the chart, there in age group, ground measurement, weight, number of players. The number of players it will be same for all age group. The ground measurement and weight it is a totally depending upon age group. Now under 14 boys ground measurement is 11 by 8 square meters and this ground measurement same for under 14 girls also and weight it is a different for boys not more than 51 kg and for girls weight it is not be greater than 48 kg. Now under 17 boys and girls ground measurement and weight it will be same for both. The ground measurement it is 12 by 8 square meters and weight not be greater than 55 kg. Now under 19 boys, ground measurement is 13 by 10 square meters and weight not be greater than 70 kg. And under 19 girls, ground measurement is 12 by 8 square meters and weight not be greater than 65 kg. Types of Kabaddi. There are 4 types of Kabaddi. First, court Kabaddi like ground. Second, indoor mat Kabaddi. Third, circle Kabaddi. Fourth, beach Kabaddi. Types of grounds. There are 4 types of ground. First, court Kabaddi. The game of Kabaddi will be played on synthetic ground or on soft soil surface. Second, indoor mat Kabaddi. The game of Kabaddi will be played on mat. The specification of Kabaddi mat are as follow: Japanese synthetic rubber plus ethylene vinyl acetate. The thickness of mat 25 mm to 40 mm. Proper carpeting should be done beneath the mat before laying the mat. Third, circle Kabaddi. Ground will be soft and level or synthetic mat. Fourth, beach Kabaddi. The game of beach Kabaddi will be played on level ground of sand of minimum 30 cm depth, preferably on seashore or river banks. Types of ground. Kabaddi is played on 4 different types of ground. As you can see, the 4 different types of ground pitches are there. Constitution of the zones. Our country is divided into 4 zones as North, West, East and South. And each zone has different cities like North zone has Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. West zone has Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Vidarbha. Each zone has Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Manipur, Odisha, Tripura, West Bengal. And last one, Southwest zone has Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. Referee signals. It is a very important to understand different referee signals. Every Kabaddi player should be know about this important referee signals because referee will be give some signals in the match like foul, warning, bonus, temporary suspension, both out, stop and wait, start etc. You all can have to look on different referee signals are there. First, start of the match, out of bonus, breaking of can, calling the red back, both out to declare points and out, bonus point, push or pull, operating scissors or dangerous play, warning, timeout, temporary suspensions, stop or wait, half time and side change, match is over. These are referee signals. Penalty card rules. First, green card. An initial warning for any violation of rules. Second, yellow card. 2 minutes suspension from the game along with 1 technical point to the opposition. Third, red card. Technical point to the opposition and suspension for the rest of the match. In this case, the team that loses the players shall continue the match with the remaining numbers of players. No substitution for the red carded players is allowed. 3 important note is there. First, the 2-minute suspension of players shall commence for the time the player is on court only. Second, if the player out is suspended for 2 minutes, then the suspension will be begin after revival. Third, teams will not be allowed to revive the next out players in place of the suspended player.
This is part 1 video. In the next video, we will see exercise video and video of Kabaddi skill. Thank you so much, students. Take care, stay home and stay safe.